Federal Pacific NEMA Type 2 Weather Shield Conversion to NEMA 3R Outdoor Use. The installation of weather shields provides easy conversion of UL-listed Federal Pacific NEMA Type 2 indoor transformers to UL-listed NEMA 3R outdoor units. The Federal Pacific Weather Shield Kit includes 2 top and 2 bottom weather shields, one each for the front and back of the transformer. Also included in the Weather Shield Kit is instruction sheet IN 7700 Weather Shield, which should be followed along with this video in installing the Weather Shield Kit. Because designs will vary, please pay close attention to the special notes listed in the instruction sheet. Weather Shield conversion kits are an optional item that can be purchased from your Federal Pacific distributor. This video is general in nature and is not intended for specific application purposes, nor is it intended as a training video for unqualified personnel. It is intended to show weather shield installation on a typical Federal Pacific dry-type transformer. Federal Pacific dry-type transformers using other enclosure designs and transformers from other manufacturers may require different procedures for making units suitable for outdoor use. The personnel installing weather shields must be trained, qualified, experienced, and as required, licensed to perform this installation. All personnel must understand and follow all national, state, and local electrical codes, and have and use all appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE. The proper weather shield kit must be used. Refer to the transformer nameplate for the required weather shield kit for that transformer. If weather shields are being installed on an existing connected transformer, all potential power sources that will be connected to this transformer must be properly disconnected, locked out, and tagged before starting any installation procedures. This includes both the primary and secondary sides of the transformer, as power can potentially be backfed into the transformer from the secondary side. To begin the installation, verify that the part number of the Weather Shield Kit matches the kit part number listed on the transformer nameplate. Open the package and verify that you have 2 top and 2 bottom weather shields. Remove the self-tapping screws that hold the cover on the transformer and set the cover aside. Then, remove the self-tapping screws that attach the front and rear panels. Remove both front and rear panels and set the panels aside. Note: a heat shield may or may not be implemented depending upon design. The next steps are for transformers with shipping hardware at the top of the transformer assembly. If your transformer is equipped with shipping hardware as shown here, remove the shipping hardware and spacer and store for later use should you need to move the transformer. The weather shield kits for these transformers include hole plugs to insert into the side panels once the shipping hardware is removed. These plugs are not required for indoor units without lift bars. Place both bottom weather shields in the transformer front and back by resting the shields over the base flange and aligning the holes in the weather shield with the base flange panel holes. Loosely install the bottom self-tapping screws through the weather shield into the base flange for all weather shield kits, except kit WS16. This provides support for the front and rear panels while reinstalling the self-tapping screws and securing each front and back panel. For Weather Shield Kit WS16, loosely reinstall a self-tapping screw into the second hole from the top in the right and left side flanges. The front and rear panels can be hung and supported on these 2 screws during the replacement process. Tighten all the screws when both the front and back panels are installed. The bottom weather shields are held in place by the front and rear panels on the transformer. Next, place the top weather shield's front and back on the transformer by resting the shield on the end panel flanges. Carefully replace the cover over the top weather shields and replace and tighten the self-tapping screws. The top weather shields are held in place by the cover. Once the installation is complete, the transformer is now rated NEMA 3R UL listed for outdoor installations. When installing, connecting and energizing the transformer, refer to the instruction manual that accompanies the transformer and refer to the video guide that is available on either YouTube or Vimeo for visual assistance with the installation.